So today date 24th November, and this particular trend line I have drawn yesterday itself, because yesterday market is hugely trendy and at the same time it is respected this trend line. So today market opened here with a gap up and made a red candle. Again it reversed at this trend line, so I was in a view of bull side. Okay, so but I have not taken immediate entry after this level, after this swing high. When market has been crossed at this swing high, I took a buy position here itself at the money strike price in Bank Nifty with two lots. And after that, when I have checked the Nifty, 10 o'clock 10 o'clock 10 minutes. So 10 o'clock 10 minutes, here it is. So I have taken a Bank Nifty entry here itself with two lots, but I have not taken any position in Nifty at that particular point of time. My position keep on moving, and this particular two red color trend lines, this particular two red color candles has given me approximately 3000 rupees loss, but I have not exited my trade because my stop loss is this trend line. So I made my rules clear. I have not exited the position, and at 10 o'clock, see, 10 o'clock there is a huge red candle, and this particular line, you can see this white color line. I'll make it into orange. This is the main reason why I have not exited my position, because this is a 50% Fibo level. If I draw Fibo here, so this is the 0.5 Fibo level. When I have seen this Bank Nifty rejecting this 0.5 Fibo level, I was damn sure that I don't have to worry, so I have hold this position. But at the same time, I have checked the Nifty, what's happening in this red candle, what's Nifty is doing. So at 10:05, Nifty in a good opportunity, it has come down and it has reversed at the trend line. So immediately I took a position in Nifty just because it has reversed at this trend line, and my target was this level. So I have taken two lots in Nifty also. Parallelly, my Bank Nifty position is running. So Bank Nifty two lots, Nifty two lots. Both trades are running in option buying. So when market is trading here and it is struggling here, it is not trying to break out. So when this particular breakout has been happened, this particular green color, candle, and it has been broken here with this confirmation candle, I have add on one more lot in Nifty. So Nifty three lots at this particular point of time, and on that particular candle, 11 o'clock candle, Bank Nifty is almost huge. 11 o'clock, it is almost reached here. So if I expand the Bank Nifty, there is one more crucial level when I have draw this particular green color line. This is having some importance. You can see here when I go to 1 hour chart, market is reversed from here. So I made this level as an important one. My target is this level. If Bank Nifty touches this level, it may reverse from here. So I will exit from this level. That was the only thing in my mind. So I made this line. When Bank Nifty reaches here and it is trying to break out, still I don't take any risk. So that was my exit point. And at the same time, if you go to the 1 hour chart, there is a trend line. It's a major trend line. You can see this. So this is a major trend line, because Bank Nifty respecting this trend line since so many days. So we should not take any risk. Even though if this green line has been broken, whatever my level, this green line broken, immediately there is a trend line. So one red candle is enough to wipe out all the profits for an option buyer, that everyone know. So I don't want to take any risk. I have exited all my positions approximately, I think here, approximately 10:45. I'll show you the order. So these are my orders. You can see 9:32 Bank Nifty I took a position. 10 o'clock I took 2 lots in Nifty. 10:27 I took one more lot in Nifty. At 10:31 I exited both Nifty and Bank Nifty position. So 10:31. 10:31 is when? So this is 10:31. Okay. So when this particular green candle touches my green level, I have exited. After that it given a breakout, but I have not taken any trade. I made my rules clear. When my profit has been booked, I don't want to risk my profit again. So one more thing, this is my option buying account. So overall profit is you can see 8,850, Nifty 2,500, Bank Nifty 6,200. Anyway, and then coming to my option selling. When this particular candle, I have seen this flag and pole pattern here. Okay, I have seen this flag and pole pattern here. When Bank Nifty has made a flag and pole pattern here, I particularly have I'll go to the orders page. This is my option selling. I took an orders when approximately 9:38. What 9:38 at what level it is? 9:38 means here. So when I have took the option buying, at the same time I took my order and option selling also. What I have to, because market is Bank Nifty trading here. I have checked the open interest. So this is intraday open interest. 37. Sorry, there's a Nifty. I'll go to the Bank Nifty. So this is Bank Nifty open interest. So 37,000 huge put traders are there, even in intraday, even for positional. So 37,000 is a huge put traders are there, and market is in bull side. So immediately when I have took my buy position in option buying, at the same time I shorted my puts in option selling. What strikes I have shorted? 37,000, because huge put traders are here. At that particular point of time, I got that around 99 rupees. I hedged with 35,500 PE. I shorted 37,000 PE. I hedged with 35,500 PE, almost 1,500 points away hedging. So at that particular point of time, I am in a view that tomorrow is expiry. I will hold this total trade. My net credit will be 99 minus 8, so 90 rupees will be my net credit. I took approximately how many quantity? 4 lots. 4 lot means 100 quantity. If this 90 rupees will become 0, my whole profit will be 9,000. I am in a view that I'll hold till tomorrow. That was my thought when I took the position. And when market is coming here, almost when this particular green candle, I have exited my option buying, but I have not exited my option selling, because market is almost here means it is approximately 700 points away from my strike price. So I don't have to be worried, because market may fall here, but at the same time it may reverse, and tomorrow is expiry. If it expire in any place in this area, it will become 0. So I thought that okay, I don't exit my option selling, but at the same time market is trading here, but when market is rejected this trend line in 15 minutes chart, so I was little worried. Okay, market is made a red candle here and confirmation candle also there, so market may reverse from this trend line and it may come here. If it happens like that, my profits will be reduced. I can't take risk, because if market reverses from here, it may fall here and it may fall till my 37,000. I don't know, or else it may happen like that, it fall till here and tomorrow due to any news huge gap down will happen. So in that particular situation all my profits will get wiped off. One thing has to be clear: when you have a profits on your screen, you should always respect those profits and you should trial it. You cannot risk whole the profit. So that particular point of time, on my screen it was around 4800, it was visible. So I took a risk and I hold my trade. When this particular rejection happened, when this particular rejection has been happened, I exited my trade. I exited my trade at 40 around. I'll show you the orders. Approximately 43 rupees. I exited my trade, and the time was 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. What was it? Is 11 o'clock means it's somewhere here. See, in this particular candle, I have exited my position. So now if you see, this particular trend line has been reversed, rejected, and again it is retesting. Okay, so if this particular trend line has been broken and if this swing high broken, then again I will be interested to take the same position, 37,000 puts. I will short again at this particular level. If this particular swing high, if this particular swing high is broken in 15 minutes candle, so if in 15 minutes chart, if the swing high is broken and on confirmation candle, again I'll take a position at 37,000 puts and I'll hold till tomorrow. So that is my plan. As of now I have exited my trade, and today I don't want to take any more risk. Only this particular swing high is broken, then I'll take a position in my option selling. Anyway, we'll check what is this FIBO level. See, 0.236. So if you see this, this is 0.236 level. So market is rejected at 0.236 level. Even if you draw the FIBO from here, it is 0.382 line. So it is respecting FIBO level. So it doesn't mean that if it respect the FIBO level, it will keep on go on top. This is a major trend line. This trend line is very dangerous. So if you see in 15 minutes or 1 hour chart, so many things have been happened. If you see in 15 minutes chart, so many breakouts have been happened, but again the trend line was very dangerous. Every time it keep on pushing the bank nifty lower and lower. See, so much consolidation here. So when rejection happened, drastically it fallen. Again it retested near to the trend line, again fall happened. Again some consolidation, again fall happened. So bank nifty is very volatile in this trend line. See here, huge gap up happened. Everybody thought that here reversal has been started and bank nifty will go up, but huge gap up happened. Immediately from the trend line it's fallen. Again here also people thought that bank nifty will go up, again it fallen. And here also people thought that it's a reversal and bank nifty opened a huge gap up, but again from the trend line it's fallen like anything. Almost, that is a very drastical falling day, almost 1400 points. If you can see here, 1500 points fall. So this trend line is not a joke. It may do anything, even it may break out also. It may give a false breakout, we don't know. So if it gives a false breakout and if it falls from here, so my 37,000 put position will be in a huge risk. So I don't want to take any risk. Tomorrow is anyway expiry. I'll save trade tomorrow. I'll save my profits today. So overall cumulatively this is 8,800 and this is 5,400 approximately. One more thing I just want to show you, it's very important. I'll go to 15 minutes chart. Okay, So these lines, just observe these lines. These are my iron fly levels. Whenever I took iron fly, I mark these levels. See, this is my at the money triangle level. This is my upper break even. This is my lower break even. This is my upper side maximum loss. This is my lower side maximum loss. I took this iron fly on 18th November, and this expiry will be 25th November. So when market has fallen drastically on the next day, 1500 points, that day I was in a loss of 4000 rupees in my what to say iron fly. So but have not done any adjustments, because I am in a view that market will reverse on the same day. 500 market has been reversed with 500 points, so I was pretty sure tomorrow gap up will happen or market will reverse. Okay, so when market reversed, see, when market reversed and came to this trend line, that means market bang, this is my lower side break even, it has broken, and this is my maximum loss point, that is also broken. Again market, I have not on that particular point of day only 4000 loss it is showing on my Opstra. If you see this, my maximum loss is 20,000. When it will happen? Only on expiry day, not every day. So maximum loss is 20,000, and on the same day, on the very next day, it has broken all my maximum loss. And if Bank Nifty trade here and fall further, then I have to be immediately exit with a stop loss. But market reversed again, the next day it is reversed, so I was very pretty sure it will come back into my break even level, and it came today. Just imagine, it just entered into my break even level, and just 300 points above, just 300 points it come inside. With that 300 points, my position is in almost, you can see, it's almost 9,000 rupees profit. Since morning it was around 2,000 rupees loss, now it is 9,000 rupees profit. So this is the best thing in iron fly. So I'll hold this paper trade if what will happen tomorrow, and but tomorrow end of the day again I'll take iron fly for the next week. So this is what for today. Overall cumulatively, if I say, 8850 5410. So this is my cumulative profit for the day. It was very pretty good. Okay, I'll close the trade today, and I'll not concentrate on market till tomorrow. Bye bye.